Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Flutter apps using OAuth sign-in, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Flutter apps using OAuth sign-in, start by setting up your Flutter development environment. Make sure you have Flutter installed and your preferred IDE ready. Create a new Flutter project using the command line or your IDE. Open the terminal and run the command flutter create your _project _name. Change to your project directory by running cd your _project _name. Next, add the necessary dependencies in your pubspec.yaml file. Include packages like Firebase _auth, Google _sign_ing, and any other relevant OAuth providers. Save the changes and run flutter pub-get to install the added packages. After that, configure Firebase for your Flutter project. Go to the Firebase console and create a new project. Follow the prompts to set up your app and download the Google Services.json file. Place this file in the Android/app directory of your Flutter project. For iOS, download the Google Service info.plist file and add it to your iOS project. Now, enable the necessary authentication methods in the Firebase console. Navigate to the Authentication section and select Sign-in method. Enable Google Sign-in and any other OAuth providers you wish to use. Next, configure your app's Android manifest for OAuth. Open Android manifest.xml and add internet permissions. Also, ensure you add the appropriate redirect URIs in both the Firebase console and your app. Now, set up the Firebase auth instance in your Flutter app. Import the necessary packages at the top of your Dart file. Create an instance of Firebase auth using firebaseauth.instance. To implement sign-in, create a method that initiates the Google sign-in process. Use the Google sign-in package to trigger the sign-in flow. Check for the user's authentication status after signing in. If the user is authenticated, proceed to navigate to the main part of your app. If not, display an error message. Test your sign-in functionality on both Android and iOS devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.